10-in-1 multi-function tool includes needle nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutter, knife, saw, slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, and carabiner. Made of durable stainless steel with an aluminum frame, sleek red finish. Great for hiking, backpacking, camping, fishing, and other outdoor activities, as well as for survival, emergencies, or around-the-house use. Includes a nylon pouch with belt loop for easy hands-free carrying. Dimensions: 4. 1 by 1. 5 by 0. 9 inches. Top reviews from the United States. It's good for the price. You want something high quality that's never going to wear out? Go buy a Leatherman, of course, then you'll be paying Leatherman prices. Is it the greatest multi-tool I've ever had? No. Does it even rank into the top 10 or 20? Certainly not. Is it a decent multi-tool for $10 that if it gets lost or broken I am not going to be deeply upset about it? Absolutely. It is a cheap range multi-tool and it does the job in a pinch. It is not the worst multi-tool I've ever had. I would buy it again mostly because it's super cheap.